For a 2000 to 2006 Chevy Suburban, you need 22-inch hook-style wiper blades for both the driver and passenger sides. Verify this measurement or check your owner's manual. Using the correct size ensures proper windshield coverage. Avoid J-hook types common on newer cars. Your Suburban uses a traditional hook, type 9. Replacing wiper blades on your Suburban requires no special tools, typically just your hands. A flathead screwdriver might be helpful to lift the arm if needed. Ensure the ignition is off and the vehicle is parked on a level surface. Avoid activating the wipers during the replacement to prevent injury or damage. The Suburban uses hook-style wiper arms, as shown here. Proper safety precautions ensure clear visibility, especially important in traffic conditions like this. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Be cautious not to let the arm snap back against the glass, as this could cause damage. Hold the arm securely while proceeding to the next step. Locate the small tab on the underside of the blade where it connects to the wiper arm. Depress this tab. While pressing the tab, slide the old blade off the hook. It should detach easily with gentle pressure. Align the hook of the new wiper blade with the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a click indicating it's securely in place. Ensure the blade is firmly attached before moving on. Now repeat the same process for the passenger side wiper blade. Lift the arm, detach the old blade, and attach the new one just as you did on the driver's side. Make sure both wiper blades are securely attached before proceeding to test them. Briefly activate the wipers to test their functionality. Observe if the blades wipe smoothly across the windshield without streaking or skipping. If there are any issues, double-check the installation. Inspect your wiper blades every 6 months and replace them if you notice streaking, skipping, or wear. Clean the windshield and wiper blades regularly to extend their lifespan. Consider silicone-based blades for better ozone degradation resistance. Replacing wiper blades yourself saves money, averaging $20 to $40 for a blade set compared to professional service costs. Following these maintenance tips keeps your wiper blades performing optimally for safe driving.